welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena. Today's video is going to be just a simple clean and decorate with me for Halloween. My decorations are quite simple, nothing too extravagant or fancy. The majority of these decorations will be from the Dollar Tree, and the other decorations, some are from Target, and a lot of these I've just had for years and years and years, and I don't even know where I got them. I got some of these little pieces 10 years ago or something like that, but that's what this video is going to be. And so we'll go ahead and just jump in. I'm going to use one of these little creepy cloths that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to go ahead and spread it out on this table to use as kind of like a tablecloth, but kind of a bunchy tablecloth. And like I said, a lot of these decorations are from the Dollar Tree, and I love the Dollar Tree. It's like literally my favorite store. I love it. And you can get really nice decorations there. Some of them can be a little glittery, some of them I don't care for, and you can craft with them and they're wonderful in that aspect. And then some of them are just really nice, and so hopefully you can see some of the ones that I thought were really nice and just chose to decorate with. So that is what we'll be doing. Okay, so this little trick-or-treat sign is from the Dollar Tree, and I just thought it was really nice. I loved the detail on the corners here. I thought the skull was really nice. The coloring was good. It's not glittery. It just, I thought, was nice quality. And the rest of these decorations, like the spiky pumpkins, I got those at Target probably maybe 5 or 6 or 7 years ago, something like that. And my little tree, haunted tree, I got about 10 years ago, and I don't even know where. So this was the end look. I ended up swapping out my wedding photo for a black and white wedding photo, and it made it look a lot better over there. So next I'm just going to decorate this little credenza desk thing, and I am cleaning all of my things down with Mrs. Meyer's. This scent is the mum scent, and oh my lord, if you have smelled this, it smells so good. It is, I think it's my favorite one of Mrs. Meyer's I've used so far. It smells so great. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just wipe it down and get some decorations up here, and then we'll move into the dining room. Got both of these little vases at Target at the dollar spot, and I'll show you a better picture of this little spider fangs one once I take the plastic off. You can just see the coloring a lot better. These flowers are from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to cut them up and place them into both of the vases. And here you can see it's just a nice matte black vase, and I thought it was so cute. So I'm just going to take these flowers from the Dollar Tree and just put them in the little vases, and I'll put the flower ones in the one that said raven feathers, and then they had these little pokey pieces that will go perfectly in the spider fangs vase, and I'll show you a close-up of what that looks like too. I just thought it was it went perfectly. So yeah, here it is. The spider, the little pokey things with the spider fangs vase, so I thought it was really cute. So I got these hand candle holders also from the Dollar Tree. I thought they were just wonderful, and I'm just gonna put some little fake tea light candles in there. And I just love these. These little candles look like Thing from the Addams Family, and so yeah, I was super happy when I saw them. we are in my formal dining room, and this room just really never gets used very often, but I'm still gonna just put some decorations up here because I have this nice little area. So I'm gonna give it a nice quick wipe down, and then I'll just get decorating. I'll use one of those creepy cloths again on here, as well as some pumpkin stacking boxes that I got at the Dollar Tree that I thought were just really cute. And then I'm going to also use a spider web bowl and some Halloween pumpkins, all from the Dollar Tree. Alright, so I've had these tree lights for about 6 years now, and I think they kind of have a little bit of a Halloween spooky type fall vibe to them, so I thought they would go perfectly just in the corners here, so I decided to add just a little bit of these tree lights to my pumpkin display. So we are in my kitchen, and this is my pantry door, and I am just going to add some of this like caution tape that I got at the Dollar Tree. It says danger zone on it with a skull and crossbones, and I'll just kind of zigzag it all over this door here, and then I'm going to add just a skeleton, a glow-in-the-dark skeleton that we got at the Dollar Tree. around my house. I've had this sign forever, not sure where or when I got it. Yeah. This one is from the Dollar Tree. I thought it was pretty cute, not too glittery, so I liked it. And I also ended up adding a long white one that says beware, and I found another sign that has like spells, that says spells, that was added. So unfortunately I wasn't able to add those or show those because I found them after I filmed, but you'll see them in my next cleaning video. But so now I'm just going to transition. It's the next day. I'm transitioning out into my patio, and we had gone to the pumpkin patch that weekend and just got quite a few pumpkins, like a little variety of pumpkins. So I can decorate, we can carve, and then, we can cook some of them as well. And so since they came from the pumpkin patch, a lot of them had chunks of dirt and mud on them. So I'm taking just a little scrubby from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna just get all those little chunks of mud. It's just a dry scrubby. And I'm also going to just sweep off my patio and get all the cobwebs and dust and things like that off. And so now I'm just going to place all the pumpkins around, just kind of stage them around my front area and add some more decorations. Change out my wreath here, take my normal everyday wreath down and add the Halloween one. I got this probably about 7 years ago from a lady in my neighborhood who makes some, and I love it. It is so beautiful. This little welcome mat is from the Dollar Tree. It's a little on the thinner side and a little smaller, but I thought it was, cute for $1 for sure. All of these little stakes, these little, I don't even know what you call them, skeleton stakes, are from the Dollar Tree. I don't even know what they're called, but here's a good look at them. They're just kind of cute. I'll just put them in these flower beds for now, since I don't have any flowers in them. But don't judge the flower beds because I need to repaint them. They're all cracked and icky. And these were from the Dollar Tree as well, just some spider chain stakes. And at the end, you'll see I changed some things up. I ended up getting a few large mums, so I took these out and I put a large mum in its place, and a large mum in the front by the pumpkins as well. Alright everyone, there is my mum monster. You can see the little eyeballs poking out, also from the Dollar Tree. We also added a purple light right there and an orange light up top as well. This is the end of the video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time. Bye.